Do you have long hair and you're struggling to find the right stylist in Dubai? You're not alone, and this transformation might be exactly what you're looking for. In today's video, we're working with a client who has shoulder-length curly hair, low density, no layers, and heavy. We trimmed around 2 inches to remove split ends, added structured layers for movement, and reshaped the overall look for better balance and volume. After detailing the neckline and giving the hair a full wash, we began with a gentle scalp and body massage, then dried the hair using a Dyson dryer with a diffuser. Next, we applied Jason Makki Pomade and started styling. The final look includes 2 styles: a natural open look and a clean, professional ponytail. If you're growing your hair out, remember maintenance is key. And in a city like Dubai, finding someone who truly understands long hair can make all the difference. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this, straight from Dubai.